guys, what's up? So to mention the best server cheese for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. First cheese called Wi-Fi Scanner. Allows you to see surrounding Wi-Fi networks, their signal strength, channel they're occupying. Very useful for site surveys and fine-tuning Wi-Fi channel power levels when using multiple access points. It tells you how strong the Wi-Fi is as well, which is the RFI, I believe, which is their their strength, Wi-Fi strength. This feature is called Quick A and C. It simplifies the way you switch between transparency and noise canceling mode. Let's use a theme called Lucent, a lustrous and radiant iOS theme pack designed specifically to take over the iOS stock block with a brilliant gradient with icons that must have the same iOS stock concept. This is called Summer Pro, and a package includes more than 70 mods for iOS. This is called Last Look. Get a last look at your phone when you lock it. This is called Replay. Add shuffle and repeat buttons to now plain view such as Control Center and Lost Screen Player. This is called Replay Kit Everywhere, and cut with iOS 9 and 13. So record any app's screen with or without microphone commentary using system replay framework. Native resolution 60 frames per second. Start the recording by sonic gesture on activator. This is called Last Look. Get a last look at your phone when you lock it. This is called Tweak Reviews DB, a tweak that lets you review packages and mark them as working or broken in seconds. This is called Chat Speaker, and Chat Speaker can help you with those problems. The device will speak any incoming notifications of your favorite apps, even more when you choose your favorite accent, usage options, and many more. You have these main features right here. This is called Scribble, and lock your device with Scribble. So change the way we lock the device. This is called Disk Probe, and visually manage your device's storage. This is called Sonic, create your ringtone in the blink of an eye. This is called Hestia, and to global bypass jailbreak detection tweak. This is called Dual Clock, adds a second clock for lock screen and status bar. This is called Sonic, create your ringtones in the blink of an eye. This is called iSave BT, along with when somebody trying to steal your AirPods Pro or speaker, etc. This is called Better CC Icons Pro, and allows custom settings of Control Center. This is called Better CC XI, gives you enhanced connectivity module, music modules. This is called Safari Tools, and all-in-one Safari customization tool. This is called App Data, compatible with iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. View and access the data of your apps by either swiping up or on the icon or from the Force Touch menu. So it now adds redesign actions, clear data, reset permissions, offload apps, custom badges, lifestyle. This is called Short Emoji 2, number 1 keyboard tweak. Bring back life into your keyboard, supports iOS 13.0 and above. This is called Adaptive Home, color home bar based on the app icon. This is called LibMiro, share library for my tweets. This is called Change Carriers, allows you to change your carrier. This is called Make It Mine, change your carrier name to whatever you like. This is called Music Layered Share, long press lyrics and Apple Music to share. This is called No Widget Labels, only hide label of widgets. This is called Widget Radius, and makes all widgets match new ones. This is called Reach Player, now playing info reachability window. This is called Music Artwork No Corners, moves artwork corner radius. This is called Center Labels, and center all labels in main settings page. It's called Magical Scroll Balls, add some spikes to your scroll. This is called No Face ID Lock, removes a Face ID lock. This is called Last Look, and get a last look at your phone when you lock it. This is called Settings Buttons UI, and it's UI extension for Settings Buttons tweak. This is called Settings Buttons, and basically with this tweak, adds useful buttons to the navigation bar of the Settings app. This is called Pop Lock and Drop It, main purpose is tweak. So, was document how to use popovers on iOS for existing HUDs. This is called No Switcher Cache, and moves the cache of the snapshots when using a grid switcher. This is called No Music Volume Knob, moves a knob on the volume. This is called No Music, No Buttons when playing, moves quick action buttons. This is called Shake It Off, shake your device to toggle some actions. This is called Unlock for Music, unlock the screen when music changes. This is called Fiona, keep Wi-Fi always connected. When device is locked, Wi-Fi goes disconnected. This will allow you to keep Wi-Fi always connected. And last is called Unlock or Else, make sure passcode pop up right away. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.